Okay, hello, welcome to reading class. Today we study about letter T. How do we pronounce letter T? Okay, yes, the first we'll learn to write the letter T first, and then we pronounce it. Today's day 3. Yes, day 3. Read and sing. How do we write letter T? Yes. What is it? T and be pronounced T. Okay. No t, no. Or t, no, okay. Is t. Okay, letter T. Yes. And here, homework. Learn to read with symbol, phonetic symbol too. And here, teddy, teddy. Here, teddy. Yes. Two syllable. The first syllable. Teddy. Tap. Okay. Tap. Yes. Here. Pot. Pot. Tent. Tent. Okay. And here, at. Okay. Sat. Sat. Okay, and here, taste. Taste. Okay. Where's the letter T sound? And here, teddy and tap and pot. Here, tent. At. Sat. taste. Okay, yeah, thank you. And here, okay, so we do homework, and this is for homework, okay, for you. From the student, okay, they want to study this, okay, class and try to translate in your language, and okay, give or name it what the part of speech, okay, and from word to word. Okay, right now, okay, you do homework, okay, by yourself. Okay, how do you translate in your language? Okay, but Teddy, yes, and put, okay, the part of speech too. Okay, yes, thank you. See you the day 4 again.